Hi, my name is Nisha and I'm from Malaysia. I've been staying with Nirvana Shala for the past 6 months. And the reason why I've been staying here so long is because this place is absolutely amazing. Whether it's yoga or pranayama or your backbending workshops, there's so much to learn. The teachers here are excellent. They're so authentic and very traditional in the teaching, which I think it's very hard to get in today's commercialized yoga world. The staff, the food, the place, the accommodation, nothing was like, I have nothing to complain about. Everyone was so helpful, everyone was so friendly. I've made a lot of friends here from all over the world. So one great thing is that you just don't come for yoga, you come for the whole experience. So if you're thinking about should you come to Nirvana Yogshala, don't think about it. Just pack your bags and just come here already because you're going to absolutely love this place. Thank you.